Hello, baby girl. Grandma misses you, so she's making a video of me reading a story to you because I know you like that. So, today we're going to read Grumpy Cat, the little grumpy cat that wouldn't. Once there was a little cat. She was cute, she was furry, and she was grumpy. Grumpy Cat didn't like anything. Grumpy Cat went outside. She wanted to be alone, but soon a happy butterfly started talking to her. Grumpy Cat didn't know the butterfly's name. She didn't care. "Hi, Grumpy Cat," the butterfly said. "You know what's great about the outdoors?" "Nothing," Grumpy Cat said. Grumpy Cat wanted the happy butterfly to go away, but it didn't. Instead, a cheerful ladybug joined them. "Good morning, Grumpy Cat," the ladybug said. "There's no such thing," Grumpy Cat said. "Grumpy Cat, would you like to play?" the butterfly asked. Grumpy Cat wouldn't. "Come on." Oh, 1 second. "Come on, it will be fun." "I had fun once. It was awful." A joyful bird joined in. Grumpy Cat was surrounded by happy animals. "Grumpy Cat, there must be something you would do," the bird said. "I know. Would you like to race?" "Would, Grumpy Cat? Ready, set, no!" Grumpy Cat wouldn't. The happy animals all raced away. Grumpy Cat was alone. Good. I hope you enjoyed the story, Melody. I love you and miss you.